What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your go-to spot for tech that goes way beyond just sitting pretty on your desk. Today, we're diving deep into a gaming tablet that doesn't just talk the talk, it brings the fire. Whether you're grinding ranked matches, editing on the go, or binging anime in glorious 2K, this beast is built to dominate every pixel and every frame. Say hello to the REDMAGIC Nova gaming tablet, a device so powerful, it might just make your gaming rig jealous. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, packed with a massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery, dual speakers, advanced cooling, and a buttery-smooth 144Hz 2.8K display. This tablet is an all-in-one performance monster. If you're watching this and wondering whether a tablet can actually game like a console, trust me, the Nova isn't just playing around. It's redefining what portable power looks like. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if your current tablet starts wheezing every time you open more than 3 apps. Subscribe if you're into gaming gear that actually shows up for you, and drop a comment below. What's your current mobile gaming setup looking like? Alright, let's break this down. First up, performance. This thing is a straight-up powerhouse, running the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with a 3.4 GHz CPU and a 1 GHz GPU. That means no lag, no stutters, and no heat of battle slowdowns. Whether you're crushing enemies in Genshin, pushing frame rates in PUBG, or streaming high-res video, the Nova delivers ultra-smooth gameplay and lightning-fast app response, even under heavy load. And we're not just talking basic app use here. This thing is made for high-end gaming. It handles AAA titles like a champ and supports high FPS without breaking a sweat. Speaking of sweat, let's talk cooling. The REDMAGIC Nova features an advanced cooling system with a 20,000 RPM turbo fan. Yeah, you heard that right, a fan in a tablet. Not only that, but it's backed by aerospace-grade aluminum components that dissipate heat like pros. This setup keeps the device cool even during those intense multi-hour sessions, so your hands stay comfy and your performance stays stable. No overheating, no throttling, just pure, sustained power all day. Now let's talk about that screen, because oh man, it's a showstopper. The Nova comes with a 10.9-inch 2.8K display that hits a resolution of 1800 by 2880 pixels. And get this, it supports a 144Hz refresh rate. That's not tablet standard. That's elite tier gaming monitor territory. The visuals, absolutely stunning. The colors are punchy, the blacks are deep, and the motion is so smooth it feels like you're gliding through your favorite game worlds. Whether you're watching YouTube, catching up on Netflix, or deep in competitive matches, every frame is a visual feast. And for the gamers out there, the 144Hz refresh rate means faster reactions, sharper movements, and smoother animations. Every tap and swipe feels instant. Now, what's a great screen without equally great sound? The REDMAGIC Nova doesn't disappoint here either. It's got symmetrical stereo speakers, tuned with DTS:X Ultra for immersive spatial audio. That's next-level sound that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether it's gunfire from the left, explosions on the right, or a soundtrack that swells around you, you'll hear every detail. And that's not all. It's also got dual 0815 motors for 4D vibration feedback. That means every hit, every jump, every impact has real tactile feedback, giving you a deeper, more immersive experience. Plus, there are 3 built-in microphones with crystal clear communication, perfect for gaming, streaming, or jumping into a quick call without reaching for your headphones. And now, battery life. Because what good is all this power if it dies in 3 hours? Good news, it doesn't. This tablet is loaded with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, enough to power your gaming marathons, creative work, or binge-watching sessions for up to 18.7 hours on a single charge. And when you finally do need to top it up, you've got 80-watt fast charging that brings the battery from 0 to 100% in just 55 minutes. That's lunch break to full tank. No waiting, no downtime. Now let's talk about the overall experience. From the moment you pick it up, the Nova feels premium. The build is sleek, futuristic, and gaming ready. Every port, every vent, every line. It's all built with purpose. The rear has that signature REDMAGIC design flair, a subtle flex that says this isn't your average tablet. And as a gamer, a creative, or even a power user, you'll appreciate those little touches. The display responds instantly to input. Multitasking is smooth thanks to that Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. And the storage? A generous 256 gigabytes. Enough for your games, your videos, and all your high-res content. Oh, and before I forget, it's running REDMAGIC's own optimized Android system, tuned specifically for high performance and gaming responsiveness. No bloated apps, no laggy transitions, just speed, precision, and control. Let's not sugarcoat it. This tablet isn't for everyone. It's not a budget buy. It's not an entry-level machine. It's built for those who want raw power, elite visuals, and a competitive edge in the office, on the couch, or at 30,000 feet. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a creative pro, a streaming addict, or just someone who wants the best tablet on the block, the REDMAGIC Nova gaming tablet is your next-level weapon. So let's run it back. With this tablet, you're getting Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU Shu GPU combo, 3.4 GHz plus 1 GHz, massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery with 80-watt fast, charging 144 Hz, 2.8K 10.9-inch display, buttery smooth visuals, checkmark, turbo fan, cooling system, 20,000 RPM plus aerospace aluminum cooling checkmark, DTS X ultra symmetrical speakers for immersive sound checkmark, dual 0, 815, haptic motors for 4, D feedback, 3 crystal clear mics for sharp voice pickup, 256 gigabytes, storage for all your apps, games, and media, sleek, futuristic design with gamer flair. It's basically a flagship gaming console disguised as a tablet, and once you've used it, you won't want to go back to anything else. Let me know in the comments. Would you rock the Nova for gaming, content creation, or as your daily driver? Hit that like button if this helped you out, subscribe for more real reviews that actually dive deep, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next breakdown. Until next time, stay fast, stay sharp, and game on. Peace.